Yo, what's up? So this is the fourth video, I think, if I'm thinking right. Today is going to be all about the brakes and rotors. We got new brake pads, new drilled and slotted rotors, and then also some like wheel lug conversion kit for the BMW, because if you know anything about them, you know like their wheel, I don't know how to say it, but like their wheel studs, it's like annoying because you have to like hold the tire up and then put the wheel studs in at the same time. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, you'll see it soon. So we got that going on today. I think that's it. So let's get into that. I gotta jack the car up first, put that on jack stands, and then take the wheels off. So yeah, I'll get into that right now. So I got the car on jack stands and everything's ready to go. These are the rotors I got. Got them on Amazon for the full set, like rotors and brake pads. I think it was like either 200 or 250. Something like that. They're drilled and slotted. They're pretty nice. Take it out. Front set, not too bad. That is their rear set, brake pads in them. And then yeah, I'm gonna have to do this, break them in and stuff like that. This one-handed. Brake pads. Assuming this is for the rear. It might be for both, I don't know. Yeah, brake pads, rotors. I'm gonna start on the front, probably. Yeah, I'll start on the front. So take the e-brake off, take these lugs out, and then start doing it. So. So I got the caliper off, just two bolts back there, those two down there. I have it kind of like sitting on this bucket just so I don't strain out the brake line, which is right there, because you don't want to stress it out. But I'm going to take the brake pads off of these and then take the rotor off, and then we should be good on this side at least. So I'm going to get on that. Watching this and you don't really know how a brake caliper works, or just like brakes on a car in general. On disc brakes like this, there's two pads, one in the front and then that one in the back. And basically when you press the pedal, it squishes this rotor together and just makes it stop. But this is the old one right here. You see it's like pretty shredded up, and this is the new one. There's a lot more material still on there. This one's seen better days. It's not too bad, but it's definitely not as good as new. So this one's gonna go on this side, and then I got another one to go on that side. This is where the piston pushes on the brakes, and it's like all rusted, blown off. So this definitely needs to be changed, which is why this is going in, and this will go right on the back. So the previous owner was running some wheel spacers on here, and these rotors haven't been changed in a while, so the heat from the wheel spacer and the rotor pretty much like welded them together, I guess. So I'm gonna try and use this heat gun, go around it, and then tap it around with a hammer and see if I can like pry it off. That's kind of my only option for right now, but we'll see how well it works. So I'm gonna get into that. That took like 10 minutes just to get this off. It's still hot, but it's pretty much toast now. Took forever. It was like completely rusted on in the back. Took like a bunch of hammering and chisels to it and heat to finally get it off. It's still super hot. But yeah, I gotta take this one bolt out of the rotor, and then you can take that off and put the new one on. So besides the calipers or the brake pads and the rotors, I'm also doing this like stud conversion to take it from a BMW like stud to normal, you know, like lug, nut, and bolt kind of setup, which is on pretty much most cars. So this is how it would be like set up on a normal car. If you don't know, obviously you'd have another one right here, but you'd put the tire and thread them through these, and then you take a lug nut like this, and once the wheel's on there, thread it in, and then tighten it down to whatever spec you need to tighten it down to. But on BMWs and some other German cars, what they have is this, which is a like wheel stud. So it's kind of like the lug nut and the bolt all in one. And it's not bad, but it's just annoying to have to balance the wheel with one hand and then also try and line up the holes from the wheel into the rotor and try and thread this at the same time. It's just like annoying with one person. So if you work on a BMW, this is like probably commonplace, but yeah, it's just a Allen key kind of bit, and you just thread it through here like you would normally with the wheel stud, if I can get it. And then you tighten it down to spec, and then put the wheel on and then tighten it down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll link where I got these in the description. It's from a place called Motorsport Hardware. They make all this stuff, and I'll link them down below so you can check them out. It's like normally, it's kind of like normal price stuff, but it's pretty decent quality. So I'll check them out if you need anything like this. So I just got back after doing some stuff. It's like 11 p.m. right now, but this is the new brake pad that's gonna go on. And then this is the old one, which is like completely metal, down to the bare metal compared to this. This is what needs to be on there. There's none left. So it's a good thing I'm replacing these, because these are toast. And so are the ones on the other side. But yeah, I'm gonna put these on. I'm having a little bit of trouble with the front ones because I can't get the piston to get pushed back. I've used like clamps. I've tried to like pry it back. It's like really seized up, but the one over there, the rear one, I got to go back in. So that side's completely done, like rotors, pads, and everything. It's 11:52 p.m. I swear I didn't put this on my face either. This is literally just been from working all day. Not all day, but since I've been doing these calipers. But I got the rears on. I don't know if you can see it that well, but I got the rear caliper. I don't know why I keep saying caliper. Brake pads and rotors. I got the rear rotor done on both sides, and then the pads are in there. Yeah, it just takes a while. I mean, it's not that hard, but like, stuff is like rusted on, so I'm having to like break it off. It's just annoying, you know. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see myself. So that's probably gonna be it for at least today. It's like almost midnight. I don't really feel like doing it anymore. I got stuff going on tomorrow, so I don't know if I'm gonna get to it. Maybe tomorrow night or afternoon. Yeah, we'll see. I need to take a shower because right now I'm looking like a kid that cleans chimneys. Like the Industrial Revolution. I got it all over me. It's just all like grease and like carbon buildup. My hands are all scratched up and stuff. But what can I say? I still enjoy it. So I'll see you whenever I start again, or see you later. So all the rotors and all the calipers are compressed. Well, all the calipers are compressed, obviously, because new brake pads are on, but this side's good, all the other sides are good. Studs are in, lug nuts are in. This side was a pain. I had to get some help with it because I couldn't get that caliper to compress to fit the brake pads over the rotors, but it's done. Everything looks pretty good. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know. So hey, what's up? If you're wondering what this is, it's like a mosquito bite. It just happened like 10 minutes ago. But probably for this video, that's like it. I don't really have anything else. I mean, yeah, they're done. It's like nighttime outside, so I don't really want to drive it right now, but probably I'll make another video of just like reviewing it or like testing it. I don't know. Trying to like put the car finally through its paces and see what it can do, I guess. But I don't have any more parts coming in as of right now. I don't have anything else to put in the car. I really don't know what else to do, except I was thinking maybe taking apart the dash and like the back convertible part that's right there, because they're like beige or tan, whatever color you want to say. I was thinking of taking like some vinyl spray paint or just normal spray paint and painting it black and like make it look good. Cause I don't know, if I do end up like building up this interior, I don't really like this tan color that much. It's not really my favorite. But I think black would look good. The only problem is some of these parts are like really intricate, like the air vents, those are all tan. So it would probably take a minute, but I think it would look okay if I like tried my best. So I think that might be another video. We'll see. I gotta look into it. Rerouting these wires all throughout the car. Maybe like fabbing up some door cards. That might be a video. I don't know. It's all something that I gotta look into. I still gotta get an exhaust for it. Just small things here and there, you know. Maybe make a video on fixing the bumper. That grill is like not on there very good. Yeah, so that's all I got for right now, I guess. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and weren't too bored. Follow me on Instagram. I got a lot of stuff on there, whether it's car things or not car things, you know. If you're bored, hit me up on there. Yeah, hopefully I'll post some pictures of the car soon. Keep you updated, you know. Just take it slow. I'm not in a huge rush to get anything done, but it is fun to work on it, you know. But yeah, I appreciate it. If you made it this far, consider subscribing or liking, leave a comment, whatever you want, you know. But thank you. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.